We never buy yogurt from the store anymore. We just make it at home from scratch, and I'm so excited to partner with Walmart to share the recipe. We go through milk so fast, and Walmart subscriptions has helped make sure our fridge is always stocked with milk. First things first, you're going to want to pour 3 cups of milk into a container, and then every microwave is different, but you're going to want to heat this in the microwave just short of boiling it for about 5 to 6 minutes, I would say, and then let that sit. Grab a food thermometer and periodically check the temperature. You're going to want it to be between 108 and 110 degrees. Now here's the tricky part. So I'm using yogurt that my mother-in-law gave to me. She's been making it at home for years and years, so this is kind of the starter. If you don't have something like this at home, then grab plain yogurt from the store, take 1/2 to 3/4 of a teaspoon and stir that little bit in the container you just heated up. The hard part is over. Go ahead and shut everything tight and then grab a blanket around your house. Put the yogurt in there, wrap it up like a present, real nice and tight, and then ignore it for 8 hours. It's the end of the night. Let's check back on our yogurt. It should be firm and jelly-like. Now you just gotta stick in the fridge overnight and it's ready to go in the morning.